This whole time, I was complaining that my chickens ain't doing nothing. But check this out. Blah, baby. Blah. Come in here. Blah. You feel me? Like the girls are delivering. Look at this one. This one is like a fighting chicken. They all have different names. Come inside here. What are you doing over there, Tino? What?
That one's Leticia.
Yeah.
I finally put it down and I pushed the mouse trap with my foot.
You were scared?
Yes. I literally got jump scared that.
I wonder if it ate the poison because I put it with the food. Nico, show him the eggs and